Hello students, hope you all are going good. Today we discuss about the chapter banking. In banking our topic is recurring deposit account. We can also say in short form RD. So in this account the account holder deposit fixed amount of money in the bank in equal interval of time for a fixed period. So in this account holder deposit a fixed amount of money in the bank in equal intervals of time for a fixed period. So this interval may be a month or quarter or half year. After the expiry of period, he gets back from the bank the amount deposited plus interest upon it. We can say this total amount he get from the bank after the expiry of period is maturity amount, or we can say maturity value. So this is the value he gets from the bank after the expiry of the fixed period. Next, the amount that he deposits every time is known as installment. So this is the amount he deposits every time. Now, how to calculate the interest? On monthly recurring deposit. Now we discuss how to calculate the interest. Let in deposit account rupees P be deposited every month for n months. Here time we taken is in months, and the bank gives interest at the rate of R% per annum. So to calculate the interest we use the formula P, amount deposited, into time in months n, bracket n plus 1, into rate of interest over 2400. And to calculate the maturity amount we use the formula P into n plus the interest, and we can say P into n plus the formula of interest P into n plus 1 into R over 2400. So this is the formula to calculate the maturity amount, and this is the formula to calculate the interest. Now we take example for calculating the maturity amount. Example 1. Saloni deposited rupees 150 per month. So she deposited rupees 150. So here P is equal to rupees 150 in the bank for 8 months. So here the time is n equal to 8 months. Under the recurring deposit scheme, what will be the maturity value if rate of interest is 8% per annum? Means rate is given 8% and the interest is calculated at the end of every month. So P is given rupees 150, N is given 8 months and the rate of interest is 8%. So first we calculate the interest. We use the formula P into N plus 1 into R over 2400 by substituting the values 150 into 8, 8 plus 1 into 8 over 2400, which is equal to 150 into 8 into 8 plus 1 is 9 into 8 over 2400. 0 cancels with 0. Then we can 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24 and 0, 8 thirties are 240, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30 and 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So here we get 9 into 4 is 36. So interest is 36 here. Then we calculate maturity value. So to calculate the maturity value, formula is P into N plus interest. The value of P is 150 into value of N is 8 plus interest is 36. So 150 into 8 is 1200 plus interest 36. We get the value 1236. So maturity value is rupees 1236. So move to the next question. David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month. So here P is given 300 for 2 years. So time is given in years, but we have to take the time in months. So in 1 year there are 12 months. So 2 into 12 equal to 24 months. If he received rupees 7725 at the time of maturity, means this amount is given as maturity value, or we can say maturity amount, rupees 7725. Find the rate of interest. So we have to calculate the rate, means R we have to calculate. Now maturity amount equals P into N plus interest formula Pn N plus 1 R over 2400. Putting the values, P is 300, N is 24 plus again 300 into 24, 24 plus 1 into R over 2400. This becomes 7200 plus 300 into 24 into 25 R over 2400. These two zeros cancel with these two. 24 ones are 24, and then 7200 plus 25 into 3 75 and R. So this is the maturity amount. According to the problem, we are given maturity amount equal to rupees 7725. So 7200 plus 75R equals 7725. 75R equals 7725 minus 7200. R equals 7725 minus 7200 equals 525, and then 75 multiply with R, goes in denominator on the other side. So 525 divided by 75 equals 7. So here rate of interest is equal to 7%. I repeat it. We are given P rupees 300 and 2 years. It equal to 24 months. Maturity amount is 7725. First we calculate the maturity amount by using the formula P into N plus P into N and plus 1 into R over 2400. Putting the values of P N, we get 300 into 24, and here 300 into 24, 24 plus 1 R, 2400. 300 into 24 is 7200 plus 300, 24, 24 plus 125 R over 2400. After cancelling these terms, we get 75 R here and 7200 here. According to the problem, maturity amount is given 7725. So this amount equals 7725. Then 7200 goes to other side and subtract from 7725. So R equals 525 over 75, which is equal to 7. So rate of interest is equal to 7%. Thanks.